Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on show recently added apps on Windows 11 computer start menu. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on recently added apps on start menu in Windows 11 computer, click on start menu, click on settings. In left pane, click on personalization. Now scroll down, click on start, and here you will find an option show recently added apps, and by default it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now show recently added apps on start menu in Windows 11 computer is turned on. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.